This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Irma. Today's video, we're starting off here outdoors. So you guys seen the girls are out. We do have a total of 10 chickens, but I think one of them is going to be a roost. So we're going to have 9 hens and a rooster. But I am going to have to get rid of the roo because we can't have roosters here. But yeah, I just gave you guys a little quick tour of the garden. Now I'm just going to go ahead and change out the chickens' water here at the chicken coop. I'm going to add some more food. I also changed out the water that they have because they roam free all day until it's time for them to go to bed. They'll walk themselves to the coop by themselves, and then we just come out and just close up the door just to keep them safe. But after we're done giving their water and their food, now we're going to go ahead and pick some veggies from our garden for our breakfast this morning. So everything has just been growing so beautiful. The garden is looking so healthy. It's been really hot over here. We've already started our triple digits, but my garden is still surviving and thriving this year. Last summer when we tried to do a garden, we didn't have this area. We had it over there towards the house, but it didn't do very well. So I am so thankful, and I pray that this garden continues to thrive all year round, even our extremely hot digits summers here. And I'm so excited for my pumpkins to start coming out. I did sneak a couple of pumpkin seeds here and there. I was just showing you guys how huge these zucchinis have been growing. We've actually gotten even way more bigger ones. I love adding them to the zucchini bread and also just sauteing them and stuff like that, or making them in soups. So delicious. But this whole bed that I'm looking in right now is all full of zucchinis, and they're all the Black Beauty zucchinis. But we also have Roma tomatoes, and we have yellow squash, and then I have climbing up this wood trellis. We do have like table squash, so I'm so excited for those to start coming out. And like I mentioned, I did recently sneak in some jack-o'-lantern seeds in certain parts of the garden, so I'm excited to start seeing those begin to sprout and grow. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna give you guys a little quick tour of how the garden is going. It's one of my favorite things, and then we're just gonna go ahead and start watering my plants. So I'm just gonna be sharing a little bit of a morning garden routine, and then of course some cleaning motivation inside the house as well. There I showed you guys we have the voluntary corn, finally has a little corn sprout on it, and then I have these beef stock tomatoes, and then I have tons of aroma tomatoes. I am so excited for when I get to start picking the tomatoes. There's a lot more here, and then we also have like the vine cherry tomatoes, which is also going to be so fun to be able to start picking and eating. I hope to pick them and be able to eat them before birds and stuff start stealing them. But I'm going to go ahead and stop talking and play a little bit of music for you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You came right out of the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you.
been extremely hot, and I love and always have watered my plants early morning. It's really rare when I'll water them at night, but I always feel it's best to water them in the morning because the soil is still fresh and cooled down. Besides watering them in the afternoon or in the evening, when after like the superheat, the soil does get warmed up, so that is really easy for once you add the water, you could kill your roots. So just one tip, if you guys have been wanting to have plants and you live in a very hot area, not only do they need shade most of the time, because of course the summer is the summer, right, like the sun rays is gonna definitely burn and toast it, and they're always going to be wilted and all of that. So definitely water them in the morning. It's a very helpful tip to water them early morning.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're out of time. And you, I got you.
You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you.
You got me too.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I won.
Over the past couple of months, this outdoor space has changed so much. Starting the spring, we actually started building fences out of using like just wood pellets. So we found a place where they sell them for just $1. So my husband bought several on the first trip, and then the second trip we probably got like 10. But we have took them apart, built so many fences and walls and everything. It's like the back garden and backyard has changed so much. I just love the way it looks now. It's just so much more inviting, warm and cozy. But now we are inside, and I'm starting off here in the dining room. There's a couple of stuff on the table that I did have to put in the refrigerator, and then I want to switch this table here, so I'm removing the plant for the lamp. So I'm gonna put the table with the plant on this corner where the lamp was at, and the lamp here because it's like closer for when we walk in and we just want to turn on the lamp instead of turning on the light in the dining room. And after that, we're just gonna wipe down some stuff, fix the coffee bar, and so on.
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't
to hold my hand, standing in the shadows of where we've been, sleeping with your back.
So now heading here in the living room, I'm just gonna go ahead and fluff up the pillows once again, like always. The curtains are still up. I am still in love with them. I shared them in my last video with you guys, and today as I'm filming this video, I am actually receiving the ones for the dining room. So later on in the video, we're gonna switch those out, and you're gonna see what a difference it makes.
I will have you next to me, 'cause tonight we have it all. Cause we're dancing as one. 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 We've been to places all at once. Wish that what we said would come undone. Feels like our minds have been turned off. Haven't seen each other for so long. I know this isn't a song. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one.
Now here in the kitchen, I'm gonna leave the pots and pans that are right here close by to me, which is the one covered with the foil paper and the one with the lid, because they still have the food in there. The kids were still in bed. They hadn't had breakfast. This is our first week on summer vacation, so I'm leaving that there until they start waking up and being ready to have breakfast. But we're gonna go ahead and clean the counters and wipe everything down. I do have some dishes I need to hand wash, so I'll be doing that as well.
As one. 'Cause we're dancing 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 as one. Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest.
And here I had a pile of eggs that I feed back to our chickens, either being store-bought or the same ones they've been laying. So all the brown, or the dark brown and the lighter browns, those are the eggs our chickens lay, and then of course the white ones are from the store. But I do just rinse them off and then let them air dry, and then I just crumble them and feed them back to the chickens.
All of the time when you're around me, but this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy.
Today is also bathing day for all of my indoor plants. So these are all the plants I had in the living room. So that's the first batch that I watered and rinsed off their leaves. Once they dripped very well, I went ahead and added the second batch. This is the ones that are in my dining room, and I did the same. And the picture frames that I used to have in my living room, these big ones, I decided instead of saving them in the garage, I decided I wanted to go ahead and try and hang them here and see what that looked like. I think they do look fine. I'm not too sure, but so far I think they're looking good. I'm gonna let it soak in a couple more days and see what happens.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? For you turn.
And then this little organizing cabinet was already here to start off, but I removed it thinking I wasn't going to keep it there anymore. But I went ahead and decided just to put it back. There's Sheila and our neighbor that she came over to play. They didn't know I was filming. But yeah, I went ahead and just add the stuff back that were on here. And I'm going to go ahead and lit a candle over here just to bring in that warm, cozy, still spring scent, because that's what I'm using.
And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light.
So the curtains have arrived, and I'm going to go ahead and quickly switch them out. These ones here are nice, but I just felt like the darker ones that are just a whole lot warm and cozy are working a lot more better. Like I mentioned, the first ones I got from the ones from the living room, when I found them on Amazon, they were for $10 a pair. And then that same day I hanged them up and fell in love with them. I ordered a pair for this window here in our tiny room, but they were now for $12.99, which I feel is still a really good price, because if I'm not wrong, I think they were like $30 originally. So yeah, so if you're looking for blackout curtains, definitely these are the ones. I think in a couple more weeks I'm gonna be, or probably a couple more days, probably like in a week or so, I'm gonna be starting to add some summer touches to our home, and I will be sharing that all with you guys. Just some little easy ways, nothing inexpensive and so on. I'm just going to be using what I have, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day, God willing, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye guys.